Hey, how you doing? My knapsack, this is kind of hard to show because it's black on black, but the zipper has, the thread has torn away from the knapsack part. Can you see that? Can you see how it's sewn here and then up here? Well, it's just loose like that. So when you zipper this, it still has a hole in it. And it's been like this for a while, and I thought, okay, I'll explain the orange things later, but this could fix this. Oh, that wasn't supposed to happen until I moved it into the shot. Hold on. Okay, pretend that didn't happen. I've made sewing machine videos before. You all know how much I love the sewing machine, right? Because I do. Because this one, you can take the, I don't know, is this the arm? But if you take this off, like that, this is a much smaller, you can put sleeves on here and knapsacks on here. So I'm gonna turn it like this because that's where I'm sitting. Let's go. So the threads are okay right here, and then they start to fail. This is like, boy, this is the bulkiest thing I've tried to show in camera. So the threads are okay up here, but then they fail down here. Ooh, like, see, your hand goes through there. It's so hard because it's a black knapsack with black cloth. Sorry about that. My thought was I've hand sewn this before. I have another knapsack that I did that on, and you don't need this to fix your knapsack, but I hate throwing stuff out. And it's an inexpensive knapsack I got online, and I was like, well, let's just try and fix it, right? And I fixed the other one just by hand sewing it, so I wanted to try the machine. Let's stop talking and more action, right? That's what YouTube tells me. So this is a better shot. You can see where the zipper has clearly separated from the edge of the knapsack. Here, it's sewn on nicely, and then the threads fail. Can you see that? Right there, they fail. And this goes down, 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 down to here, and then they kind of pick up again here. So yeah, this belongs here, using that thing. So what I like about sewing is it's incredibly analog. This is an amazing machine. I've gushed about them before, but if maybe one of your family members has one in their basement, go get it, okay? How do I get this big, bulky knapsack thing in here to sew? And that requires some thinking. I think I have to put this all over the edge of the table here. So if it's like that, then can I bring this in? Oh, that might work. Might be able to get that under there. So we first have to get the this lined up again inside of here, and we're gonna hold it in with some pins. I think I'm gonna do it out here. Like that. Hello? What time is it, huh? What time is it? Is there somebody hungry? What are you doing? Who's this girl? Who is this girl? Okay. See, I don't like going too fast, and it's hard with the pedal to regulate this sometimes because I'm just not an expert. Pull the pins out as you go. And I'm trying to follow the original stitch line here. That's a good speed. That's a good speed right there. think that's the end. I hope. What the reversing does is you're backing the machine up, you're sewing backwards over the thread. So how do I put that? The thread has gone forward and then you're going backward over that same thread, back and forth a couple of times, and you're essentially ending the stitch. And when you go back and forth on there, it's kind of hard to see, isn't it? Sorry. That's how you end a stitch. Is that what it's called? I think so. I think we're done. And then you pull this away and you cut the top and bottom thread. Some of you may have noticed some blue thread. That's because the bobbin has blue thread in it. I don't have any more bobbins. I can't find my whole bag of pins and stuff. So there's going to be blue thread, a hint of blue thread in our sewing. It is what it is, and done is better than perfect. So see the blue thread? That's because the thread is being supplied from the lower part of the machine. It's called the bobbin thread. It was blue, and I actually kind of like that kind of thing because there's a hint of the bobbin thread up here, and I just kind of like putting in stuff like that. So a lot of my pants are repaired with blue thread lately. But this is on here again. It's kind of hard to show this on the camera. I'm kind of struggling with the camera today. But I got a new wide angle lens adapter for it, and as you can see, it's really wide. But yeah, so this now goes all the way around like that, and it's rock solid. Okay, why are there orange things on here, and why is my name on here? Go to your art supply store and get a gray or silver ink marker pen. It literally, you kind of shake it and then you press it down and the ink flows out like a paint. So you put your name on it, your phone number, and anything else, and then you go to your hardware store and get survey ribbon tape. It's called survey. I call it surveyor tape. Comes in different colors. Adorn your knapsack with tape. Take a picture of it. And then whenever you travel and you lose your knapsack, this has actually worked for me. You just tell them, you show them the picture, you go to the luggage office, and everyone has a black knapsack. Everyone has a black suitcase. But who has a black knapsack with orange ribbon on it, right? It works, it really does work. People think in New York, when I walk around, they're like, wow, I like that ribbon accent you put on your knapsack, like I was hacking my knapsack for fashion, Eric and fashion don't really go together, as we know. Yeah, so you can use this. You could sew this by hand too, not hard. I guess I should do a video about that. And get your ribbon, you're good to go. There should be another video floating here. Oh, you want to listen to my podcast or my newsletter? Yeah, you do probably, right? I'm supposed to say something now. Maybe there's a link for the newsletter here, or in the text below the video, or in the comments below the video. Sign up for the email newsletter, get the podcast where you get podcasts, and more of Eric. Thanks for watching. Make it a great day.